Welcome to Surrey's Worst Drivers.
Wow, buddy.
So this guy just ran that stop sign, didn't even stop.
Wow.
Typical in Surrey. I'm just showing that people at night here, you can't even see. This guy like went across the street and has no like light on, but he has a reflector, but still, you should be on the sidewalk at night. And don't you hate when somebody's turning left on a double yellow? Gotta love that in Surrey.
He used to look really sleek and modern.
And keep your eyes on the left.
Nice one, boss.
Red light.
Wow. Good job there, buddy. Yeah, really.
Yeah, check that out. Somebody could have been crushed there. Boom. Could have been a battle. And this happens every night when I'm driving. People driving without their running lights on. And that means that you can't see their lights until they break. And a lot of people do that in Surrey. It's just a typical thing. You'll see it lots in videos.
And then people wonder why they get ran out, right?
So I was sitting on the McDonald's drive-thru, and this guy was chasing another guy, and he was clearly trying to lose him. And yeah, it's crazy because there was a cop in the parking lot too. Not there, but in the McDonald's one.
Holy shit. Oh, right?
Yeah, it's just crazy. Luckily, there was nobody walking through the the sidewalk there, right there, because they could have got hit, which would have been really bad. And if that van was smart, they would have kept going left instead of right, and they would have probably lost the truck. And right when we're leaving, this guy left the drive-thru, driving really fast. I guess he was under the influence of something, and the cop that was in the parking lot ended up rolling on him, which I thought was kind of funny.
Yeah. Should mention it to the cop.
That's the one that just left.
That he heard squealing tires, but
And then while we're leaving, this guy's like,
what is this guy doing? He's like
in the other lane, oncoming lane, trying to turn left. Real smart. I just thought it was cool. Big splash of water in the rain. And then I was driving to Richmond, and I came across a police roadblock. They were stopping and talking to everyone, but when I went to go stop, he just waved me through. So I was like, alright, cool. But there were some people on the side. I drove back, and there was a tow truck. And as you can see here, there's like 3 or 4 cars that are definitely getting towed, and a bunch of people that are stopped. So that's just crazy. And then on the way back, there was also a bunch of cops that were clearly looking for somebody, and they lost him on foot. And then just thought I'd add this. I was at McDonald's drive-thru, and this guy just started flaring out. Like, you'll just see him do the heebie-jeebie dance here in a second, like. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I want to give a shout out to Vancouver's Worst Drivers for giving me a shout out in one of their recent videos, and check them out as well as check out a couple clips that I like of theirs.
When people assume we're going to turn right, but you're really going straight, like right here. This guy almost gets in a head-on accident with me. I mean, get your shit together, bro. And then worst pedestrian of the year goes to this guy. He is jaywalking and doesn't notice a green light, almost gets hit by this BMW, and then throws his hands up in the air as if like, oh man, what's your problem? Dude, you got to watch out, man. It's dangerous out there.
Those were 2 of my favorite clips of Vancouver's Worst Drivers. Go check them out on YouTube, and you guys all know what to do. Make sure to subscribe to Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, LinkedIn, and Twitter too.